Let's look at example number 1 here. Okay, and we want to come up with an equation for a linear function. So let's say that the linear function has a slope of 3 over 5 and a y-intercept of -4. So let's just go through this really quickly here. Our slope is always m, and our y-intercept is always b. Okay, so let's remember, those are the two things that we need to find. We're going to use our slope-intercept form to solve it because we know our slope and our y-intercept. With this here, we're going to plug our slope in and our y-intercept. So y is equal to our slope, 3 over 5x. Okay, so we just insert that in for m, and then we insert this in here. So we're plus -4. Now, when we're adding -4, it's the same thing as subtracting 4. You can try that on your calculators. If you add -4 or subtract 4, you're going to get the same value. And so instead of adding a -4, we can just change this to y equals 3 over 5x minus 4. And that would be our equation. And this is in graphic form or slope-intercept form. And so we'd be able to take this and graph it out on a graph, or understand what it looks like on a graph. For example 2, okay, I've actually given you a graph and I've asked you to find what is the equation for 6. I'm just going to put my numbers in here. -4, -6. All right, so here is our equation. And we need to find what is the slope of a line. So what is m and what is our y-intercept? Okay, y-intercept is really easy. That's this point right here. Okay, and now when I give you something with slope-intercept form, it's always going to have a nice y-intercept. And so this one here is at 0, 2. So our b is equal to 2. That's it. That's done. Okay, we got that one covered. Slope is a little different on the other hand. We need to find a nice point that it goes through. And we're going to say that this is a nice point here as well. Those are two nice points. I might need to adjust it. I was hoping to do this a little bit different, but it's a nice point here as well. So we're going to go a rise and a run. Okay, so we're starting our rise here. We're starting at 0 and going to 2. So that's a rise of 2, and our run is from -4 to 0. So it's a run of 4. So our slope, which is rise over run, is equal to 2 over 4, which we can simplify to 1/2. So our slope is 1/2 and our y-intercept is 2. Now we're going to put that into our form, y equals mx plus b. So we're going to take the m, which is 1/2, y equals 1/2, and multiply it by x, so it's just 1/2 x. Our slope is 2, so our y-intercept is 2, so it's y is equal to 1/2 x plus 2. This equation right here represents this function or this line. Okay, what that means is that we can take any value of x and find the corresponding value of y. Okay, that's what it represents. That's what it means. Okay, or we can take any value of y and find the corresponding value of x. Okay, that's what it's representing, and that's what it's saying.